Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a medieval recipe called soul cakes. During medieval time period, peasants would go from door to door. Similar to trick-or-treating, they would sing a little ditty or they'd say a little prayer, and in return, they would get a soul cake. And as a result, a soul was saved from purgatory. Let's make these soul cakes. Grab a bowl, 3/4 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of sugar. Let's cream that together. Add 3 egg yolks and mix it again. I need 3½ cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of a spice blend like pumpkin spice, but I'm going to use Chinese 5 spice, and mix that together with a spatula. Then we need to mix in 6 to 7 tablespoons of milk, a little at a time, until we get a nice dough. I've turned the dough over onto a floured sheet. I'm going to knead it a bit. Gradually knead in 1/2 cup of raisins or dried cranberries, a little at a time. Then you need to roll it out with a floured rolling pin to about 1/4 inch thickness. Then you need to cut out your circles with a cookie cutter. Sadly, I don't have a circular one, so I'll be using a glass. Cut a cross shape on top of each cookie. And now you bake them at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until golden. Cool for 10 minutes and then dust with some powdered sugar. Soul cakes. Very tasty, good flavor. Love a medieval cake. Where's the best place to buy your Halloween clothes? At the boutique.